Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to add people to your close friend list, which is very simple and easy to do. So just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app. So once you have opened it, just go to your profile section, and in the profile section you can see the three lines on the top right corner. Just what you all have to do is just tap on that three lines and click on close friend option. You can see near the favorites and meta verified option. Just tap on it. So that's where you can easily add someone or remove someone to your close friend list on Instagram. So if you want to add someone, just simply click on this checkbox, and if you didn't see the person over there in suggestion option, just simply tap on search icon and then here search for the
Once you're
person,
done
and with it just simply tap on this checkbox to add that person to your close friend list. So once you're done with it, just simply tap on done to continue. So that's how you can easily add someone to your close friend list on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I will recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen.